Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Doha, the state of Qatar, your gateway to the world. Where the local time is 7:05 in the evening. For your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the aircraft has completely stopped and the seatbelt sign is switched off. Please take care when opening overhead storage compartments and ensure that you have all your personal belongings and travel documents with you as you disembark the aircraft. Remember that smoking is not permitted until you are within a designated smoking area. Customers traveling onwards in first and business class are invited to use the exclusive premium transfer facility in the transfer hall. It has been our pleasure taking care of you today, and thank you for choosing to fly with Qatar Airways and the One World Alliance. Qatar Airways, going places together. Ladies and gentlemen, in order to ensure a smooth disembarkation process, we kindly ask you to remain seated until the row ahead of you has vacated. Thank you for your understanding. As well, we would also like to apologize for the late arrival of this aircraft and any inconvenience it may have caused you. For customers who are transiting Doha, kindly further contact the ground staff for assistance. Thank you.